Do you know sometimes one small good deed can change your whole life? I'm serious, listen carefully. There is a story in a book, Ṣifat-us-Ṣafwah, written by Imam Ibn al-Jawzi, Rahimahullah. There was a man, his name was Faydh bin Khidr. In this young life, he was busy with singing, music, enjoyment, far from Allah. One day, he was walking on the road. He saw a very sick man lying on the ground, no strength, no help. He felt something in his heart. He went near him and asked, "Do you want anything?" The sick man said, "Yes, I want only pomegranate, just one." So Faydh ibn Khidr went brought a pomegranate and put it in his hand. Then something happened, subhanallah. The sick man looked at him and said only one sentence, Allahu Akbar. May Allah accept your repentance. May Allah turn back to you. That's all. No lecture, no long advice. The Faydh ibn Khidr said, before night came, my heart completely changed. I turned back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't ever your good deed is small. Allah doesn't look at the price. Allah look at the impact. One smile, one help, and one dua change a man's entire life. Subhanallah. Remember this, the broken heart, the sick person with no medicine, the hungry with no bread, the orphan, the poor, the widow, the one cut off from anyone. When you comfort the one who lost someone, when you gently touch the heart of broken person, from there dua comes for you from the heart. Subhanallah. Not just from the throat. Maybe today you are the reason Allah changes someone's life, or maybe Allah is using someone to change yours, inshallah. Think about it. If it is useful, subscribe and share to other people. Jazakumullah khair.